Little baby skunk. There's two of them. There's one there, and there's one there.
I was taking a picture and a little thing bounced.
Yeah, I'm taking a video right now, so that'd be perfect. Spray me.
Have fun.
Yeah, take it easy. That's crazy. These guys are tiny. They're about 6 inches, maybe 7 inches. I don't know if they can spray or not, so I'm not gonna get close. But yeah, they're just chilling. To be honest, I don't think they'll last long being right next to the road. Another guy's just taking off. That's crazy. He's just a little guy. What's up, little dude? You're tiny. I've never seen him that little before. Very cute. And this other one's here just scourging around. Wonder where Mama is. That's what I don't want to see. Look at this little guy, he's tiny. He's tiny. Look at you. You're tiny. Look at you. Please don't spray me. Hi, guy. Hi, little guy. Hi, little guy. They're so weird looking. They're so cool. Crazy.